Hi all, welcome to our channel. So guys, this is regarding for SEO for any kind of gym website, any kind of things, how we can promote into SEO on a particular website. First of all, I have to select in one website is called iamfit.in. They're providing for gym classes. What are the classes they will providing for weight loss management, muscle building, personal training? Who are interested by the this kind of trainings? You can contact iamfit this website. How in this website, how we can increase the views on your particular website? People will be searching. How people will be searching will be here. Gym in high-tech city is the first question. Next, I will be here fitness center in high-tech city. People will be searching will be different patterns. Like people will be searching for gym or fitness center or weight loss center, anything will be women gym in high-tech city. The searching people will be different halls. So first of all, what are the people will be searching? You can keep it and write one notepad here. The notepad will be help how we can people will be searching will be in this option. Now, so we can go with this all options. In this, what is the option will be here. In this all, we can go with the options here. Best gym in Hyderabad city, latest gym in Madhapur, Hyderabad. So people will be searching will be different patterns. So best fitness near Hyderabad city, here all will be here. So you can go with the option will be into the particular keywords. So first of all, take a position here. In this, we can first of all prepare the one content. What is your first goal and everything? We can first of all prepare your particular goal option. In this one, we have to select option name is called. Here, we can go with the option will be just. Every particular website, we have particular blocks will be there. That is the complete admin panel procedure. The complete for admin panel procedure, where we can go for write a blogs. People can read on a particular proper URL structure. So in this blog, I can create a one blog will be here. The blog will be gym in high-tech city. So that is purpose. I have to create one image will be here. So that will be need image. I'll create. We can go to this option. So what are the possibilities you can go with here? So this all will be we can go to this all option. Select. Select your position. Done. Here we adding for this will be cardio, strength, weight loss and weight gain classes. So what are the options you have? That all will be we can go with this option. So yeah, body training, CrossFit training, functional training, diet plan, monitoring, exercise, intensity. So those options we can go with. Any other option will be here, kickboxing. Here we can go to this. Those options you can select from. Here is the particular things. Now select your download the image. Image making is very important that you can select from Canva. You have to make image and here. And what are the keyword you will be placed here? So what are the this keyword will be selecting from here? Select this option. And when you're uploading image time, what is the your image same will be use this upload it. What is the content you will be prepared? So everything will be here. First of all, here we'll be selecting will be gym in high-tech city, type symbol. What are the keyword you suggest? fitness center, IT city, next. What are the parameters you have? We can utilize I am fit is a gym and a CrossFit men and women IT city here. Before that, copy the enter keywords. I'll place the complete keywords option. So that is the, I'll go with the particular options are here. So now we can go to this, select here, end option. So I can use this particular keywords. For suppose people searching this keyword, select incognito window, search it. So center in Hyderabad city. Here centers Hyderabad city, there is a different one. We can go to this option. Here is the, we can go to this here, IT city, Hyderabad. So those options are here is the particular things you will be follow the options. Growth fit. So they all dependent by the your particular keywords. And second thing is called your perfect, what we can search will be here. That all will be we can using for this particular option. So right now I'm using this position, gym in Hyderabad city, fitness center in Hyderabad city. So here I'm writing for him. I am fit, gym and CrossFit in Hyderabad city and Hyderabad. Gyms near Hyderabad city, Hyderabad, gym in Hyderabad city, fitness center Hyderabad city. I'm writing for keywords in the description part. You can write is a keyword method or writing for description method. Anything you will write on the particular users, what we have mentioned by in this option. So those options are very important into the people will be understanding the criteria. So right now here I'm uploading in this. Now click for option is called submit. So immediately, what are the blog you are posting? The image will be shown to the particular customer. So they will be coming to here. There is a particular post will be in this. So you can show this option. So got a question, you would be happy to ask will be here. That may be call button, maybe WhatsApp button, anything you can add by your particular thing. So those content will be adding here. This content we have to, first of all, indexing is important. What is the content you're adding? First of all, indexing important. So those content, first of all, you properly mentioned by the here. And after this done, we can check for control you. First of all, what we're writing for title and description, keyword, and OG title, OG description. This will be social media purpose. People can visit your particular website for social media purpose. So that is the, you can use this particular option. Everything is done. After this one, what are the search? Control F, mainly checking for canonical URL. Proper canonical URL or not, you can check it out. Yes, is a proper canonical URL. Next one, H1 tag. Proper H1 tag, what we can, I think keyword that we'll be using for H1 tag option. So H1 tag will be purely done. So we can, another H1 tag is there. Got question, you would like to help the particular things. Next one, which one is the alt tag. So particular image you can selecting will be here. So same name we can putting for alt tag is exactly showing or not. This will be helped by the search engine optimization purpose from the image optimization purpose. So that is called we can using for in this particular alt tag option. This is called image specific name. First of all, title, description, keyword, and alt tag, header tag, canonical, URL. This compulsory will be important. And any people will be wrong submission anything there, they can redirect from the particular page that is called 404 will be completely successful be done. So those option will be here. So immediately what we will task is called copy the URL. We have option name is called Google Search Console. So we can go with the Google Search Console option. Click here. Start now. We have to option name is called URL inspection. Immediately you can do from the index your particular URL. Once index will be start, after finish of your time will be 1 to 2 minutes will be taking the time to submission your particular URL. Before that, what are the content you're using here? We can refresh for Control F5. What are the content you're posting here? That all will be refreshing is the more important. So those we can refreshing your particular page for the 5 times you refresh it. After this one, we can share for social network, any kind of platforms you can share and increase the views on the particular post option. So now it is called indexing is going on. Submit is done. Click for text live URL. Any defects, any issues, any bugs, the easily we can reflect from the particular option we'll be using for in this Google Search Console option. Once it's done, we have to use another option called Bing Webmaster. So we can open the Bing Webmaster. Click for sign in. Go for Google. Already website is available into the Bing Webmaster. Why? Because what are the search console already created? Same search console will be import from the Bing Search Console also. That's video already available. We can search from how we can creating Bing Webmaster tool by using Google Search Console. Search from Digital Rakesh. You will be getting the complete results. So indexing is important. Why? Because any particular page you will be created, the immediate option is called indexing. At inspection, we can scroll for the particular URL to the requesting the particular option. Every day quota will be 100 URL will be there in this. Inspection URL not on Bing, request index. URL submission will be done. What is going on? Problem index will be taking some time. Solver and sending for request. What we can, so we can go for your submission. So we can review URL and indexing. So any kind of issues we can easily find out will be here is the option. So this all will be here. Next, we can go for in this. We have the option name is called. There is a very important option. It's called URL submission. So that will be submit URL. Click it and click for the submit. So that will be you can using for here. So this one. So these are all options we can use for the indexing purpose. Once upload this content, we can go to this first option and Bing Webmaster also will be here. That all will be search engine purpose. That will be called Bing.com. There is a Bing search engine and Yahoo search engines. So any people will be search your particular URL. For example, I'm not searching keyword URL. You're showing your website will be same like this. That all will be credit belongs to for your particular option. So that all will be compulsory indexing will be important. So focus on the indexing method, your particular website, URL, Google and Bing Search Console. So write a URL structure, proper title, description and keyword, alt tag, header tag, canonical form, that all will be much of important to the particular users will be creating a particular option. The regular update will be increasing for like select that depend on your options, but increase your content and focus on your particular keywords and getting for users on your particular website. Register your particular gym for the account will be verification purpose. So this all option will be compulsory mandatory fill each and every website, do the proper SEO. Increase the blogs based on the keyword. Don't put on the static website how we can weight loss training. So they're different you have to write on it. You definitely will give the best output for your particular website, getting for more leads. Regular posting is increasing for your awareness reach to the audience, getting for business purpose. Once it's done, you can share from the social network, any kind of platforms you can share, get the results from your gym center. So anyone required for particular any class or weight loss training, anything, you can contact this particular website. If any question about SEO, please contact my channel. I definitely will support you any kind of website. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.